Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Wix website faster. First, let's understand your current site performance. Use a tool like Google Page Speed Insights to get a detailed report. This will highlight specific areas needing attention, such as image sizes or script loading times. Understanding these metrics is the crucial first step to optimizing your site for a better user experience and improved search engine rankings. A faster site keeps visitors engaged for longer. Images are often the biggest culprits for slow loading times. Always compress your images before uploading. Aim for a file size under 100 kilobytes for most web images. Use modern formats like WebP when possible, as they offer superior compression without losing quality. Also, ensure images are sized correctly for their display area. Uploading a 2,000 pixel wide image for a 200 pixel space is inefficient. Proper image optimization can significantly reduce page load times. Wix apps and custom code can add functionality, but also slow down your site. Regularly review and remove any apps you no longer use. Each active app adds to your site's loading resources. If you use custom code, ensure it's optimized and only loads when necessary. Too many embedded external widgets, like social media feeds or complex forms, can also significantly impact performance. Strive for a clean, efficient setup to keep your site nimble and responsive for all visitors. Maintaining a fast Wix website is an ongoing process. Regularly check your site for outdated content or broken links, which can indirectly affect performance. Wix provides tools and recommendations within your dashboard to help optimize your site. Make sure to utilize them. If your site experiences high traffic, consider if your current Wix plan meets those demands, as higher-tier plans often offer better server resources. Consistent monitoring and optimization ensure a consistently fast user experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.